Hello, my name is Rong Lu, and I am a program manager on the Visual Studio team. In the previous video, we talked about how to use Visual Studio to debug rendering problems in Unity games. Now we have a Unity game that we are really happy with. It's time to think about releasing, publishing, and testing now. In this video, I'm going to show you how easily you can take your Unity games to the universal Windows platform and essentially make your games available on a wide variety of Windows 10 devices. We are going to talk about three things. First, what is Universal Windows Platform, also known as UWP? Then I'll show you how to install the tools needed for UWP development, and then talk about how you can take your Unity games to UWP. Windows 10 introduces the Universal Windows Platform, which provides a common app platform available on every device that runs Windows 10. This means you can create a single app package that can be installed onto a wide range of devices, from small screens like phone, tablet, to laptops, desktops, to big screens like Surface Hub and Xbox, and even HoloLens. And with that single app package, the Windows Store provides a unified distribution channel to reach all the devices that your app can run on. To develop apps for the Universal Windows Platform, you need to install tools first. It is really easy. Just launch the Visual Studio setup and select Universal Windows App Development Tools in the list, and Visual Studio will take care of everything for you. Now let's take a look at how to take your Unity games to UWP. Alright, we're back in the Unity editor again. Now this time, I want to export my game to the Universal Windows Platform. To do that, I'm going to go to File, Build Settings, and find Windows Store. Now, here in the SDK level, I am going to pick Universal 10, so we'll build for Universal Windows Platform. I'm going to hit Build, pick a folder, select the folder. While this is building the solution for us, I want to quickly mention this option here, which says Unity C# projects. If you check that, essentially what it does is the VS solution that's being exported is going to include the source file for those C# scripts. So you can continue to debug your game in Visual Studio in the context of UWP. If you don't have that option checked, essentially it's building a release version, so you don't get any of the source code. So for now, we're going to stick with the release version. Looks like we have the project built. So go to the UWP folder we picked, and here is the VS solution that's being generated. I'm just going to click on that to open it in Visual Studio. Alright, here's my project open. You can see I have the assets for Windows Store. I have the assemblies unprocessed. I don't have any of the source code because I picked the release version. Up here in Visual Studio, we know there are multiple options here, configurations. For now, we're going to pick the release version. And then, because I'm running on my local PC, I should pick x86, and then we'll switch over to local machine. But if you are debugging or running on, let's say, a Windows Phone device, you should pick ARM, and then go back to device option. So from here, I can just start running my game on my PC, just make sure everything works before I publish it to the store. So Visual Studio is now building my project, and it's going to launch my app in a second. Here's my app running. This is a UWP version of the same Unity game we were looking at. Hey, here's my level 1. I can start playing the game now. Everything looks great. If I want, I can switch over to a device like Windows Phone and connect to a Windows Phone device and then test there and make sure everything works. Now we have an app happily running on my Windows 10 local machine, and we're ready to publish to the store. To publish any apps to the Windows Store, it's really easy. Everything is integrated into Visual Studio. So you go to your app, right-click, go to the Store menu, and then select Create App Packages. Do you want to build a package and upload? Yes. Next. You need to sign in to Windows Store, so you would have to apply for a developer account, which I already have, so it's signed in here. Next, it's checking my account and see if I have reserved any app name. I have one here that says WebKit Test. And hit Next. Here is a bunch of configurations for my package, which architectures I want to build for, version number. I can basically just click Create. This is going to create an app package for me. After that, it's going to take a little bit time. But after that, it's going to take me through the verification process. Basically, that's going to verify that everything is working great in my app. And then I can publish my app right into the Windows Store from within Visual Studio. Once my app is in the store, everyone who has Windows 10 can then download their app and run on their devices. Remember, from small screens to large screens, they will be running your Unity game on their devices. Now our Unity game is happily running on Windows 10. In the next video, we are going to explore a different platform, Android. I'll show you how Visual Studio can help you test your Unity games on Android. Hey, if you haven't already, make sure to check out the other videos in our series. Just click on the videos. And if you haven't got the tools installed, click here to get the tools installed to start building your games. Videos and tools.